21st of December. It's rattling all the way from our flat. I have 50 ml of amitriptyline over night time, 30 ml of metazapine, 1000 ml of paracetamol, and 500 ml of ibuprofen every night to go to bed, and she wakes me up. I'm full of fibromyalgia and arthritis all up my spine, spondylosis. I've got PTSD, among other things. It had me sleeping on the streets, in the church doorway, over the cemetery on my scooter, when I've had people help me get it out. She's given me hell. She's made my life a misery. I've had people stay here and said they wouldn't come back again because they've had no sleep with her. There's the radio still on. I'm brave tonight. I've got my TV on, but there's no sound. And this is all night, every night. She's actually told someone she's been recording the conversations in my living room. Is that not illegal against the law of breach of privacy? She's been recording all my conversations. What goes on in my living room? But last night I had a couple of friends round and we never laughed that much, so I'm sure she'd have been recording that in her defence. We never laughed so much, and it's been a long, long time since I've laughed like that. We couldn't stop laughing. Just the three of us sat there and we laughed and laughed and laughed. So she wouldn't like that. For one, I've got visitors. She didn't like me having people. She's not happy about that. She'll stamp and bang. And when they've gone, she's worse because I shouldn't have had a Mia. I'd love to have sat out here at some stage, but she didn't like that either. She just smashed the hell out of the kitchen ceiling up there. I went out. She wouldn't answer from the back once. She was making that much noise. These was rattling. I thought they was going to come out. She wouldn't answer from up there when I shouted, stop, stop, stop. So I went out the front. I struggled down the steps and I said, oh, you can have the windows out in the back kitchen if you don't stop. So, and she videoed me, and she's been videoing people coming in and out of my house, typing everything. And I was with some friends, Vicky and Mark Johns and Dan. I was on my mobility scooter, Dan was on here, so we just popped back in here briefly for some things and a coffee quickly. And Vicky caught her yet again, Fiona yet again, watching the visitors come in and out my house. And Vicky had to go and I said, like, hey, what are you watching me for? Have you got a problem with me? She videoed me sitting on the mobility scooter, and she told the police she's got me on video, and screaming and shouting at her in the street. It wasn't me, it was Vicky Jones. Different visitors I've had. Mark Jones said he's seen her watching as she's coming in and out of the house. I've had no life. She just controls everybody, everything. She's so, I mean, everybody's got a little bit of nosy, but she's so nosy. It's unbelievable. I've never in my life known anybody so nosy. When she found out about the death of a very close family member, I couldn't get her away from the door. She insisted on finding out all the gory details. I kept saying, I don't want to talk about it, I don't want to talk about it. She wouldn't go away. And she turned really awkward and nasty because I wouldn't tell her. So, yeah, but it wasn't me screaming, shouting. I did go out there and say, hello, you can have my back windows out. Because as you can see, that's the only windows I have got. I've got that like that, so I can see anybody who comes to that door. Because I'm frightened to be here on my own. Here we go. And this is going all from my flat. Can you hear that? She never sleeps. Never sleeps. And this doesn't happen apparently. I'm the liar. It's me who's doing it. Don't even have a washer. Sold everything to desperately get away from her. I was going to go on the street. Here. That's all from my flat. All from my flat, and that's every night. And there could be up to 10 of them spins. Every night. Oops, better keep away from the window. This is going all through my flat. And he wants £110 a month top up for this. And because I won't give it him, I've lost my deposit and I can't go through the estate agents again. Because of what he's allowed to happen. There we go. Can you all hear that? And she tells the police I'm a liar. And she gets backed up with it as well. So that's it for now. I'll see you later.